As we approach the York station, one of the most famous sights on Britain's railways, from the driver's seat, arriving into York always feels special. This is one of the great railway stations of the world, standing proudly on the East Coast Main Line between London and Edinburgh. Opened in 1877, York Station was once the largest railway station in the world. Built by the North Eastern Railway, it was designed to impress with its huge iron and glass roof, long sweeping platforms and grand Victorian architecture. Even today, nearly 150 years later, it still feels magnificent. York has always been at the heart of Britain's railway network. In the steam era, legendary expresses such as the Flying Scotsman passed through here, hauled by famous locomotives like the A4 Pacifics. Later came the mighty Deltics and Intercity 125s, whose engines once echoed beneath this vast roof. Today, modern LNER Azumas, cross-country, Northern and Transpennine services continue to keep York as one of the busiest and most important stations in Northern England. As we roll beneath the station canopy, the sound changes instantly, echoing around the ironwork overhead. Off to the side stands the beautiful old Royal Station Hotel, while nearby sits the National Railway Museum, home to some of Britain's greatest locomotives, including Mallard and Flying Scotsman. York Station also carries memories of wartime Britain. During the Second World War, the station was heavily bombed, and railway workers lost their lives, keeping the railway moving through the conflict. Now the signal's clear ahead, and it's time to depart York once more. Power is applied as we leave behind one of Britain's greatest railway landmarks, a station that continues to connect Scotland, the North East, Yorkshire and London, just as it has done for generations. Thank you very much for watching this driver's eye view arriving into and departing from York Station. If you enjoyed the journey, please like, share and subscribe for more railway cab rides, archive footage and railway history from across Britain. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again very soon for another railway adventure.